This video will be about how to parse email body data and save it into Google Sheets, just like this. So let's get started. Right now, we are in the Gmail inbox. And in the Labels section, you will see a label called ChatGPT. As we open it, you can see there are a total of 159 emails in here. All these emails are sent from various people, and first, we'll be parsing their details. For this, open a Google Sheet. Give it a name so you can recognize it. Then click on Extensions at the top and select the Apps Script option. This will open a new Apps Script project. This function will extract all the information from the email body and save it into Google Sheet. We have left a link to this Apps Script in the description box, you can get it from there. In line number 2, you need to add the label name from which you want to parse emails to Google Sheets. Since we're using this label, we'll be writing ChatGPT here. Give this project a name so you can recognize it. Next, click on the Save icon on the top. Then click on the Run option. You need to provide permission so that the project can access data. Choose your Google account. Click on the Allow button. The execution is started and will be completed in a few seconds. You can check the status in the execution log. In the Google Sheet, you can see the email information is extracted successfully. You will see details like from name, from email, reply to name, reply to email, recipient's address, subject, and date. Since there was no information in the body, this information was not extracted. The total number of emails extracted is 159. In the ChatGPT label as well, the total number of emails is 159, which means the data of all emails are extracted from the label. Now, we will create a new email, and in this email body, you will see we have added details like name, email, phone number, address, and message. Let's send the email. Refresh the inbox to see if we received the email or not. This is the new email. These are the sender's and recipient's information. And you can also see the information in the email body. Currently, the email is not yet recorded in the sheet. Let's run the script again. As soon as the execution is completed, you will see a new entry at the top of the sheet. Here, you will find the sender's name and email address, recipient's email address, email subject, and date. Also, you can see the information in the email body is also parsed. For example, name, email, phone, address, and message. You can compare the extracted data with the data that we sent in the email. Now you don't want to open the script and come here to run this function. This is a long process. Fortunately, there's an option to run the script within a sheet. For this, click on the Insert at the top and hover over the image, and then select the Insert Image over Cells option. You can search for the image that you want to add. Click on the image that you want to send. After that, click on the top 3 dots and select the Assign Script option. In this field, you need to write the name of the app script function. This is the function name, copy it from here, and paste it into this field. Click on OK. Now whenever you need to run the script, click on this image. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.